Hello, my name's Alex Tokmakov. I am now the president of RIT Cycling, and this is the Blender Bike. We don't have a team mascot, but if we did, it would most certainly be this. It has been through quite a lot, as you may see. It is an all-terrain vehicle, and it is capable of making some tasty smoothies. We used to have a stationary Blender bike, but we thought after that broke that if we were going to do it, we were going to do it right. We want to bring it around for our city trips and for any other rides around campus that we may have. Like any other bike, it has kind of a conventional drivetrain. The way at which it differs from a regular bike is that you have another cog in the rear. And when you pedal this drivetrain, it operates the blender. Thanks for checking out the video. Feel free to come see us at Imagine and join the cycling team if you're a student.